ராமானுஜதயா பாத்திரம் ஞான வைராக்கியபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத் வெங்கடநாதாரியம் வந்தே வேதாந்த தேசிகம். சீரொன்று துப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்று சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ, தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வு. அமிர்தரஞ்சனி பாசுரம்ஸ். We are blessed to enjoy and have a tinge of Bhagavata Acharya Bhakti through these delectable verses of Swami Desika. Amritaranjani verses are like the summary or the introduction or invocation pasurams of Childrai Ragasyams. These Childrai Ragasyams, Swami puts and packs the Tattvatrayam, Ragasyatrayam, the Ragasya Mantratrayam, and the Vishishtadvaita the concept, Ramanuja Darshanam. Everything Swami has packed so beautifully, as taught to him, as revealed to him by the Purvacharyas, the Sadacharyas. And Swami has been so lucidly placing in chaste, sweet Tamil in this Amrita Ranjani. Even the name itself is so sweet, Amrita Ranjani. The sacred in Pasuram 30, which is what we are going to enjoy today, the sacred lotus feet of Lord Madhavan is both the Upayam and the Upayam, the means and the goal, the way and the destination. This Pasuram is also from Tattvatraya Chulakam, Ishwaradhikaram. வினைத்திரள் மாற்றிய வேதியர் தந்தனல் வாசகத்தால் அனைத்தும் அறிந்தபின் ஆறும் பயனும் என அடைந்தோம். மனத்திலிருந்து மருந்து அமுதாகிய மாதவனார் நினைத்தல் மறத்தல் அரிதாய நன்னிழல் நீள்கழலே. Swami here mentions that the Emperuman Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan resides in our heart eternally. He is the indweller and he is the medicine as well as the insatiable nectar. Generally the medicine is bitter for us to get rid of the disease, whereas the nectar is sweet, but it's not a medicine. It adds to the sugar or whatever. It's not good for health, the sweet. However, this nectar is insatiable. We would never ever get satisfied with the nectar. We would like to have more and more. And that nectar is also the medicine to get rid of the future births and deaths, to get rid of the samsaric afflictions. Beshajam Bishak, in Sahasranama it comes. He is the Beshajam, the medicine, as well as the Bishak, the doctor. எருத்துக்குடியுடையானும் பிரவனும் இந்திரனும் மற்றும் ஒருத்தரும் இப்பிறவி நோய்க்கு மருந்தருவாருமில்லை, மருத்துவனாய் நின்ற மாமணி வண்ணா. Nobody knows the medicine for getting rid of the samsaric afflictions, not even the Rudran, not even Chaturmukha Brahman. And not only Sriman Narayana knows the medicine, prescribes the medicine, he himself is the doctor. And our Lord resides in our hearts permanently, Madhavan, Sriyapati, and he blesses us both at the as the sure medicine for destroying our bond of karma, as well as he is the insatiable, delectable, sweet nectar to enjoy. Marundu amudagiya Madhavanar. When we reflect on this, if we reflect on his lotus feet, we cannot even comprehend, fathom the glory of his lotus feet. when we cannot just like that comprehend or understand the extent of the vaibhavam of the lotus feet, nor can we forget the sweetness of enjoyment of those tender soft lotus feet, because it is how indispensable they are to us, those lotus feet. The shade from those feet counters the cruel samsara tapam, and that those lotus feet of Madhavan are the means, the upayam, as well as the fruit, the palan. That is the way and the goal. And this, how do we know? How did we come to know? Because we have been blessed by the essence of our Acharya's Upadesams. வினை திரள் மாற்றிய வேதிய தந்த நல் வாசகத்தால் அனைத்தும் அறிந்த பின் ஆறும் பயனும் என அடைந்தோம். We have been blessed by the essence of our Acharya's Upadesams, and we have clung, we have adhered to, we are glued to those lotus feet of the Perumal, both as the means and as the fruit. The study of the Ragasya works, these Ragasya works, confers sinlessness and mental peace. It gets us rid of the papams and it gives us immense anandam, the bliss. The true nature of tattvams, the true nature of mantras is revealed to us. We were able to resort to the twin feet, the pair of the lotus feet of Sriman Narayana as the way and the goal. What a great cool shade those lotus feet give us, and give us the relaxing, chill, showering, cool shade to get rid of the scorching heat of samsara tapam. And he is able to get us alleviate the samsaric afflictions, the samsara tapam. He is a medicine as well as the doctor. He is a nectar as well as the medicine. No medicine would be nectar and no nectar would be medicine, but he is both. We welcome as this, and we welcome such a wonderful combination of this nectar cum medicine. This twin feet shadow is difficult to conceive in our mind, and it is also difficult to forget from our mind, because the very thought is so beautiful and nectar, but we cannot comprehend the glory of those feet. We will continue to comprehend, contemplate, and be blessed with the dhyanam of those lotus feet, anusandhanam of the lotus feet. Swami Ranganatha mentions to Ramanuja in Sharanagati Gadyam, Dvayam artha anusandhanena saga sadaivam bhakta yavat charirapatam atraiva srirange sukamasva. Dvayam artha anusandhanena saga sadaivam bhakta. Always utter dvayam, contemplate on dvayam, and contemplate on the meanings of dvayam. What is the meaning of the dvayam? The meaning is just always serve Perumal's lotus feet, and in order to serve eternally at the feet of Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan, Adiyongal surrender at the feet of Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan. And that's what is to be contemplated at all times. And we have been blessed by the essence of our Acharyas, Upadesams, and therefore we have clung to those lotus feet of Perumal, just both as the means and as the goal. Adiyan, Dhanyosmi, Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline, Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha.